I want to take the time here, Mr. Bellion again, to show you an exemplar of how beautiful this design is. And thank you. You know who you are, my grade 10 tech design class. Okay. This is a beautiful design of a building. Okay. And here, my student, which I'm proud of course, always proud of you guys, you've done a beautiful mock-up of your 3D design. Okay, of one building, of one futuristic building. Okay, cool. And you followed my instructions in terms of drawing your idea down and then using 3D to kind of inform your drawing on paper, your orthographic views. Okay, so this looks awesome. I see all these different levels. You've got that flashing red you know, I love it. It's futuristic. There's so many elements I want to say as design, but that's another lesson in itself. So what I want to talk about, look how awesome this is. Look at this view here. This is the top view. That's the side, front, whatever, right? And all these views are there, okay? So I'm just going to ask for one minor clarification, and this is for everybody in my grade 10 class who has submitted their work. This is what I'd like you guys to kind of adjust, revise, and it'll be like level 4 stuff, okay? So it's really exemplary, all right? So let's look at this stuff. This is really cool. I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to take this drawing here and I'm just going to make a copy of it. Let's see if this works. Go with that and let's just go something like this. Let me see. Control C, Control V. Did it work? Sweet. Okay. So here's one elevation. Okay, I'm just going to cut them. I'm going to copy them all up and you'll see what I mean by aligning your views and generating information that relays proportionally. Okay, and I'm also going to discover the dominant view. All right, so that's the back. Let's look at the side here. Boom, I'm in. I'm just going to crank this really fast here. I'm just going to come in here and I'm just going to go Control C, Control V. Beautiful. I'm going to bring these all. I'm going to move them around in a minute or two and I'm going to come back to the original layer, copy and paste encore une fois. Okay, another time. Control C, Control V right here. Okay, come on down. And it was a great suggestion today by Alicia to have us all watch and see all the reviews, all the feedback, so we can all align ourselves accordingly instead of you being kind of left out. And I never intended that to happen, which is kind of interesting from distance learning, right? You're not seeing my feedback as I normally do in class, which is what we use to learn from, right? So this is a kind of a general feedback for everybody, right? So let me move this here. Everything's on its own layer, so it doesn't matter. And I'm also going to take the top view and we're good to go here. Okay, it's only been 3 minutes. Woohoo! All right, all right. And again, thank you. Control C, Control C, Control V. Ooh, did that work? Nope, because I put Control V first. Okay, Control Z there. Bye-bye. And let me go in here and I'll do this one last time, people. Okay, there it is. Okay, so Control C, Control V. All right, so here we are. And I'm going to hide the original. Bye-bye. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my initial lesson of dominant view to generate other views, okay? So watch what I'll do. I don't need to look at the other one, the 3D one, because I think the 3D one informed us of these views. Okay, cool. So do I have two of the same here? Yeah, I do. Which one is it? Is it this one? No. That one? Yeah, why not? Say bye-bye to that. Well, you know what? I'll leave it. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, so we've got... I'm missing a view somehow. Okay. So I missed the other one. So I'm just going to come in here and look for it. Ah, right there, Mr. Right View. Okay, okay. We missed one. Good stuff here. Right here. See? See, I have a left side, but I don't have Control C, Control V. Beautiful. Okay, move that over. Okay, mon ami. Let's do this in the right view, okay? Okay, I am in the right view. Taking my time. And here we go. Let's try this again. Control C, Control V. Okay, that's going to work. Beauty, 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 beauty. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go and I'm going to move these. I'm just going to merge these really down and I'm going to move them around, whatever. Okay, I'm going to start with my dominant view. Okay, so here it is. So I have this one right here and it's the back view. I'm looking at this. I see a lot of, it's between this one, the back and front. They're both really fantastic views. Great information, a lot of layering, a lot of, it's a great use of cylinders and basic primitives like cubes and ovals and spheres and so on, right? And I love it. There's depth in the design. That is so exciting, okay? So let me find you, buddy. Where are you? You are, okay, so I'm going to take this one here. And what I'm going to do, no, that's not the one, buddy. That's the top view. Okay, so anyway, I'll bring if I'm in the top view, I'll just bring the top view then, okay? Hang in there, guys. You'll see what I mean in a second, okay? So I'm going to move the top view right above there, okay? And I'm going to say thank you. Okay, so, and I'm going to it's going to be in relation to the front view there. So we'll now find the front view, which is here. Okay, so now let me try this again. Move the front view right about here. Okay, while I'm doing that, notice what I'm doing here, guys. I am trying to align the views so that they are in proportion to each other, okay? All right, so roughly, and that's pretty close, a little wider than I wanted on the side. There you go. So these two views have a direct correlation, okay? Roughly. I'm just taking my time here, and I'm hoping everybody in my class will watch this because everybody needs to revise their work to make this work, okay? Let me just go in here one more. I'm being a perfectionist. I'm sorry. I'll stop. Okay, so let's go to my top view, grab that one, and look at it, okay? So look at this. Watch. You'll see in a second here, right there. Look at what I'm doing, okay? All right, so I'm roughly, look how cool this is looking. Pretty sweet. So I'll explain. There's going to be a direct correlation between the top view and one of the elevations, okay? So this is the right side view. Okay, so we'll go to the right side view, which is here, and I'm going to bring it in line to these guys, okay? So here it is. I'll get my move tool, and I'll move it over here. And what I want to do, look at that nice relationship there, right? So I'm just going to increase the height, okay, gently, and I'm going to bring it down a touch. You know what I mean? There's like, basically it's something like this, and I'll just rotate it a touch, and a little nudge, good enough. I can fix things afterwards, okay? So there it is. So I've got 4 views, pretty good. So now I need to find the left side. There it is. Oh, yeah. Here we go. So I'm going to bring that view somewhere over here, okay? And let me just pan, holding the space bar over, okay? And then I'm going to bring my move tool here, the 4-directional arrow, and what I'll do is I'll align these two guys, okay? Okay, so let's stretch it, and roughly a little more, okay? And there we go, kind of something like that. All right, cool. So notice now, okay, approximately, it's approximated, okay? I see some changes, and now let me see if I could refine this further, okay? Okay, so far, everything's looking proportional, okay? Now notice, I'm just gonna merge all these boys, all these layers, merge them all. Yeah, just merge it. Pow, right there, okay? One layer, okay? And boom, nice. Okay, so now let's look at it now. So proportionally, it's roughly okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these views, and let's come in here and go with orange. Love orange. Okay, and I'm gonna just, okay, you're done. Thank you. And the background is gonna be something like an off gray. Okay, there you go. Okay, warm gray. Okay, so far, this is the closest I've had from anybody that has things in proportion. Okay, it's not 100% accurate, but it's relatively okay. So let's make it better, okay? So I'm just going to duplicate this layer right here. Duplicate, hide the one underneath just in case I make some mistakes. And watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of tweak this a bit more, okay? I'm here. I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to say move. Yeah, let's just move it here. And you'll see what I'm going to do here, okay? That's fine. And I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take this one. You'll see why in a minute. And I'm going to move it over here. Now you will see the direct relation of each drawing, these two views. Okay, check it out. How cool is this? Okay, what is Bellion talking about, right? Okay, so let's get our marker here, our pen. Okay, and I think I am in, yes, woohoo. Okay, all right, check it out. So roughly, if you go across, you will see these kind of relations. That's technically how we come up with these views. Okay, so if this is the dominant view, then these curves would be something like this. Look, boom, boom, and here. Okay, right there, like that. And don't forget, these are aligned up right there. Sweet. And I love his tapering here. Look at this. Look how sweet that is. It's not just a rectangle, it's tapered, people. Sweetness. Love it. I get excited over architecture. Okay, I'm sorry, that's how it is. Okay, so what we'll do here, just draw the same circle, 1 2 3, good. And then here, if you go across, shift, boom, that's the actual height. And I'll bring my line tool quickly here, and I'll just go from here to here, boom, and I'll go from here to here, see? And then I'll take a line across. Oops, that's not the line. Control Z, get out of this, bring my pen tool back. This is awesome work. I love the creativity in this, man. This is great. Look at that, cross. Sweet. I'm raising my arm going, fantastic work, young man. Okay, so direct relation here, sweet. Okay, I'm going to go with a marker right now and just go with blue, just what you have right here. I said I, boom, I'll go to a layer underneath and I'll just do this. Okay, so you'll see these are nicely connected, okay, roughly, okay, good enough. Then I'll come underneath that and I'll just do something like a gray of some kind. And again, look guys, I'm taking the time to color because I think it's a lot of fun. Why not enjoy the process? You have pencil crayons at home, you have Corolla markers from your brother and sister. You take it, borrow it. Okay, so here we go. Oh my god, I'm at 12 minutes already. Okay, cool. And I'm just going to go a little darker for these two. Look how nice this is looking. Look. Right there. Nice, right? Okay, we got that. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to quickly erase these projection lines, okay, because it gave me what I want. And always keep it light, okay? It's cool. Next, let's look at this. Okay, I'm going to use pink. I love pink, fuchsia for some reason. That's the color for me this year. Kidding. Okay, whatever, doesn't matter. Look at this now. Okay, so let's go on another layer. Let's lock these guys up and go to another layer. Okay, so this is just two views. What I'm doing, what I'm trying to show you guys is we used our 3D model to generate these views. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're technically correcting our drawings. Look. Okay, so it's something like this. You take a ruler, you go across. You take a ruler, you go across, you go across. That's it. And nothing is stopping you from keeping this sketch like this. It doesn't have to be perfectly aligned in a ruler, okay? I'm just saying, look, I'm just going to crank a line here, crank a line there, boom, like that, okay? So now I've got that projection, and I'll say thank you for those projected lines. Where's my eraser? Just like that. Just keep it loose so you know where you came from, okay? All right, so let's make that smaller. And I'm going to get rid of, what am I missing? I think I'm missing a few here. So let's just say I missed a couple there, whatever. Here it is. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. And I'll bring my pencil marker tool again. Where's one? Did I miss that one? No, I missed this guy here, right? Let's hold shift. Oh, I see. It's here. Sorry, you're here, and that one is there. Okay, got it. Okay, so I'm just going to color this. You guys get what I'm talking about. This is what I want to see. I want to see the 5 views. Once you have your main building figured out, this is a study. This is a way for you guys, can you see me? This is a way for you guys to get a greater definition of what, greater insight of what you are designing. You're using a 3D tool if you can. If not, build it out of Legos. build it out of Play-Doh, build it out of cardboard, so you get your views drawn. And when you are drawing your views, it has to be proportional, guys. Otherwise, there's no point, okay? That's not the point of drawing orthographic. Orthographic is trying to help your views, okay? So I use my dominant view here, and I'm going to go to a layer underneath, and I'm going to color here as well, okay? So I'm just going to pick another, let's go to another gray color, a warmer, let's go warmer here, okay? So where's my maca? Right here, make it smaller, okay? And let's just go like this, look, that color is not doing it for us. Okay, so let's just make it, I have so many options, people, so many options. I hope you understand. Okay, so, okay, all right, here we go. Boom, like this. Make it thicker by using square brackets. Look, okay, so I'm just using markers to have fun here. Boom, and whatever, that one's here, okay? So we've done that part, and you know what? That's awesome. I'm happy, right? I've got that. Control Z, leave that alone. So those are aligning, okay? Boy, what is this? 16 minutes. So look how cool that is. These two are perfectly aligned. So all you got to do now is take the following two together. Like, okay, so this worked. All right, so let's see what we can do here. All right, so, okay, so where am I? Boom, here. Take my selection tool, make a selection, come over here. Okay, so these two are directly related this way. Okay, this could actually go on the other side. Doesn't matter. Okay, actually, yeah. Hang on. Hold on. Yes, I see what's going on here. Watch this. I'm going to move this here. Then I'm going to take this one here, and I'm going to move it because see, we're doing direct relation. Okay, guys, that is the challenge. This is you guys understanding how this works, right? So I have a direct relation. Am I drawing? Yes. New layer. Boom. There needs to be a, let me zoom in. Okay, so you see these two have direct relation. Okay, so that would end right here. This would go here. These would go right in here. One or the other would be your dominant view. So if this is across, then that's here. And this becomes that. See? This comes down lower. Okay, boom, right here. Look how nice that is, right? So let's go with another color, and I'm gonna see if I can make this thicker. Can I? Yeah, maybe I can. So see here, boom. This is the center one, and these are adjoining. Beautiful design, unbelievable. Okay, nice intricacy. I'm gonna stop getting excited. Lastly, let's fix this one and that one. See? Okay, so I didn't scale this. It's my fault. I didn't scale it right, but that's what I'll be looking for. Okay, this is my look for, people. Take these across. Take your time. Okay? If you need a week to do this one drawing, take the week, okay? You know what I mean? Until you get it. It is an important concept for anyone studying design. It doesn't matter if we are designing product, cars, handheld devices. When you're drawing, the information has to also be proportional, or else the brain's like jumping all over going, what is going on here, right? Okay, so lastly, let me just move this here and we'll shut it down. All right, here we go. I'm going to take this guy here. I'm in the right layer, and I'm just going to bring it over here. See? So my views at this point, it's as close as I've gotten. What I would do next is obviously I would come in here and, okay, here's Balian taking forever trying to figure out which color to use. So again, what I do technically in my head, I just go like this. Okay, I just hold in my brain. I go like that, boom. So that's the width, and this is the top. So I'll just go to the bottom, and then I'll go over here. That's a, look how cool that is. Look how close you are. This is amazing, amazing work. Okay, and then of course you would align it this way, that way, and so on and so on. Okay, guys, that's the idea. Everybody in my grade 10, futuristic buildings. This is it right here. This is what I'm looking for. Everybody in the class, under 20 minutes. Can you believe it? Okay, amazing exemplar here. I love the design. I can't wait to see this drawing sketched more proportionally. Okay, if you don't have a ruler, don't worry about it. Just take the lines across. Take a piece of cardstock or fold your paper, Boom, take your lines across and keep them light, okay? And I love that there's also color here. How awesome is this? Very creative, guys. Bowing out. Okay, enjoy this one. I love this one. Bye.